In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Charles Schwab checking account. We'll keep this simple and fast, walking through the exact path that gets you from the homepage to a working checking account without detours or confusion. First, head to the official Charles Schwab checking account page and look for the button that says Open a Checking Account. When you're prompted to choose an account type, select Schwab Bank Investor Checking. That's the everyday spending account you're aiming for, and it's designed to work alongside a brokerage account. Make sure you're on the secure Schwab site before continuing, and then click through to start. Next, you'll fill out a short online application that typically takes about 10 minutes. Be ready to enter your legal name, your current residential address, a government-issued ID, such as a driver's license or passport, and some basic financial information. Take a moment to ensure your name and address match what's on your identification, and use the address where you want your debit card delivered. The entire process is online, no printing, mailing, or paperwork required. Once everything looks correct, submit your application and let Schwab handle the rest. The checking account is automatically linked with a brokerage account, which Schwab creates for you. This is required, so don't be surprised when you see two accounts tied together. The good news is you'll have a single login for both, keeping things streamlined. After approval, it's time to fund your account. You can add money with a bank transfer, a wire, or a check deposit. A standard bank transfer is usually the simplest, though it may take a couple of business days to arrive. A wire can be faster, but your sending bank may charge a fee. If you're depositing a check, follow the instructions provided to complete it securely. Double-check account and routing numbers before you confirm any transfer. Your debit card will arrive after you've funded the account, typically within a few days. Keep an eye on your mail, and once it shows up, activate it and set your PIN so it's ready to use. If you don't see it within the expected window, review your mailing address in your profile and contact support if needed. A few final points to remember. The checking account can't be opened by itself. It's always linked to a brokerage account. There's no minimum balance required and no monthly fees, which helps you get started quickly and keep things simple.